Hey guys, so this video is going to be how do I trade natural gas. So this is natural gas August futures, and natural gas recently hit a multi-year high of 310, and it just came back for 10 points. And then what happened today? It opened higher near the CPR, and the CPR is also narrow. So I've taken a trade now. I've taken a short position in natural gas, respecting the moving average crossovers as well as the price action. So if you see, we have a high here, and this is the higher high. Even in a higher time frame, we have this. This is a higher time frame. In 1 hour time frame, we have this lower high. Lower high. So this lower high in 1 hour time frame, the 20 MA is being beaten. So this 20 MA can possibly take the market even lower to 293. That is possible. So coming back to the smaller time frame, when will we take an entry? Actually, I'm not a kind of a breakout trader. I'm kind of a pullback trader. So that's when I get a confirmation. So in pullbacks, we get some discount price so that we can go for a trade. So the market just broke below the CPR, and it's a perfect time. It's 4 o'clock, and we had a breakout downside, and then we had a profit bookings coming in, which caused a pullback. So this pullback was a very perfect entry, respecting this 20, 50 and 200. Everything crossed over each. So I was having a very good entry at 303. So I took a short position in 303 with one lot, and right now the market is trading 301.60, which is almost 1.5 points profit here. Yeah, I took a entry at somewhere big with morning positions and average and all. I took an entry around 303. So now the market is around in 2000 profit. So what I have done now, I have placed a stop loss at 302.90, which is my stop loss. So I have nothing to lose in this trade. So now I'm going to trial it. So with what conditions I'm going to trial this trade is very simple. One will be, I'll be respecting this 50 MA and 20 MA respectively, and also the main thing will be this 20-50 crossover. So if there is a 20-50 crossover again on the buy side, I'll be closing the trade, out booking profits. And then number two, the second way of booking profits will possibly be yesterday's CPR, which is almost 299.50. So 300 could be a good profit, but still I'll be trialing the stop loss with this 20 MA. So we are just looking at the live market. This is the live trading. So we are currently waiting at the low, the day's low. So if this day's low is getting broken, we can possibly see the 300, 299 and 298 possibly today. So I'm going to trial it. So let's see what's the power of trialing stop loss. In this pattern, if you see, there is a support holding at 301.20, and it's also having a lower highs. So this is the pattern. So in this case, usually what happens, after testing a couple of times or after 3 times, 4 times, it probably it will break the support. So that's what we are waiting for this trade. So the whole setup is selling for us, so we are in short side, and this particular pattern right here is having a lower highs, which is indicating a bearishness, and also there is a strong support, and breaking this support, the market can further go down. So this is what we are expecting. So let's see how it goes. If you see this, we have already predicted this. So this is the power of price action basically. So this is a very good support in a very short time, and we were having a lower highs forming, and exactly what happened is what we drew already in this line. So this is the strategy, this is the price action. So this is how we should trade as an experienced trader. So this is the perfect breakout. Maybe we'll have a little bit of a retracement or some consolidation, but the market is not going anywhere up, it's going to go down. So let's see how it goes, and let's see where I'm going to book the profits. Probably I'll look to book profits right from when it starts to hit 300, but I have to wait patiently maybe. So let's see. Saw that we had a very good price action trade right here. So I already took a trade based on the CPR, and then I told you that this is a very good support and we are having a lower highs. So after this lower highs were resisting, taking supports at 301 constantly, we drew this line and this exactly broke down here, and at this breakout in the fast momentum we just booked profit around 299.80, which gave around a running for 1 hour, and we are just trailing the stop loss to the profits constantly, and it just came down. And also the price action is respecting the view which we had also. So this is what happens. So this is how you actually should trade natural gas and crude oil. Also this kind of patterns will mostly work on the index stocks indexes where in Bank Nifty and Nifty and all. So you can try these kind of patterns in that also. So this is the trade. So I'm going to close this for the day, and the market is around 299.30. It made a low of 20, and we are probably can expect this green line, this little green line to touch today. And I'm not going to do over trade. We are going to close this for the day, and that's it. So hope you all guys had a very good day today. So it's even moving further 1 point down, so not to worry, a little regret. So this breakout is a very strong breakout that is going to reach the next support. So this is the trade, and hope you all enjoy this video. So if you like this video, make sure you hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. There's a lot of more technical videos and educational videos going to come into this channel, so hold on to it and see you in the next video, guys. We just hit the support, almost another 1.5 points fall, and you cannot hold more than this. This is the end. The profit bookings may come anywhere from here. It is 298. We took an entry like 5 points away from this, and we booked at 3 points, and right now it is in a additional 2 points profit. All right.